Good morning, students. Today we will do worksheet 3 of chapter 14. In this worksheet we have to construct some angles with the help of compass. Here we will not use the protractor. And I want to tell you one thing, that only those angles can be constructed with the help of compass whose are the multiple of 15 and they are half. So we will start with the first question, A part. First we will construct an angle of 60 degree. See, first of all we will draw a ray like this. This is a ray. Now we will take the compass and we will open it. It should be not very much or not very less. I have told you that you can take about 1 finger, but it should be less than 2 finger. Okay. Now keep the needle at this point and draw an arc like this. Like this. Okay. Now you will not change the radius of the compass. Put the needle here and draw an arc like this. Okay. Now here you get a point and join this point with this point. Put a mark of ray here. Now you can give its name A, B, C, and this is an angle of 60 degree. Now in B part we will draw an angle of 120 degree. For this, first of all we will draw a ray with the help of scale, and then again you will draw an arc like this. Keep the radius of the compass same. Now put first arc. This is first arc is of 60 degree as we have done in first part. Now keep the needle here at 60 and draw another arc. This is mark of 120 degree. Put a point here and join this. Give the name A, B, C. This will be the angle of 120 degree. You can use protractor to confirm it. In C part we have to construct an angle of 90 degree. For 90 degree we will follow the same steps. First of all we will take an arc ray. Then you will open the compass and put an arc like this. And this is of first arc is of 60 degree. Then you will put the needle at 60 and you will get an arc of 120 degree. We will follow the same steps. Now what is the next? Now keep the compass same and put the needle here at 60 degree and draw an arc here between 60 and 120. Now put the needle at 120 and draw another arc which intersect previous arc here. And you will get a cross, and this is the point, and you have to join this point with this point, and this A, B, C is an angle of 90 degree. Yes, in this way ABC is angle 90 degree, and you should be very careful when you draw the angle of 90 degree, because it should be exactly like this. If it is not exactly 90 degree, it will be very easily noticeable. Okay. Angle of 45 degree. For this, first of all we have to draw an angle of 90 degree, but here we have drawn this line dotted because it is not our main angle. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we will take, after construction of angle 90 degree, we will take the compass and now we can open it little more. Okay, now put the needle here at starting point of the arc and draw an arc between this gap here, like this. Now put the needle at 90 degree here. Some students put the needle here, sometime they put here, but you have to put the needle between 60 and 120 at this 90 degree line and draw another arc which intersect previous arc and you will get this point. Now join this point with this point. Now put an arrow here and this A, B, C is an angle of 45 degree.